Hello guys, in today's video we are going to discuss how to mirror an image in Google Doc. Let's start the video. First open your Google Doc. Here click on insert, go on drawing, click on new. You can see a insert image option, click on image. Now select the image. Now you can resize this image as well according to your preference. Now how to mirror this image? Just select the side of this image and drag this to opposite side. As you can see on my screen, the image is mirrored. This is the basic way to mirror your image in Google Doc. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.